What is passive seating? Is that when we tighten a screw, and the teeth can be tightened in place. Every tooth is tightly attached. To determine if it is passive seating, we can use another screw. Just one screw still fits well. This shows that the tooth angle has not been pried. This is passive seating. This is one of the standards for passive seating. Then, according to the silicone guide plate, to make it the same as the temporary tooth, each finished tooth is inspected individually, including the gaps. Then glaze the gingival porcelain. Finally, conduct a detailed inspection and refinement. The Marlow Bridge denture is now completed.